everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and yes, I have another Kmart haul. It's slightly Christmassy, actually it's quite a bit Christmassy, but I did get a couple of things that I didn't know I really wanted, so that's really exciting. And yeah, I'll just show you what I got. So first thing I bought was this blush pink velvety Joy cushion with gold trim. This is part of the Kmart Christmas range, and I just thought that would look really nice on my bed, especially because my bedroom is going to be the pinky tones of Christmas, rose gold and that sort of thing. So I thought that would look really nice on my bed this year. Even when I was buying this, I was actually thinking I might change up my colour scheme in my bedroom next year and go more traditional red and white, but I don't know, I've just got so much rose gold stuff now, it almost seems really wasteful if I do that. So I may stick with the pink theme a little while longer. And I think that was $8 for the smaller pillow. And also to go with that, I bought this grey sequined little deer pillow as well. This I think was $12, and yeah, because my whole room's pink and grey, I just thought they'd look quite nice together sitting on my bed. And they've got a couple of other different styles as well. I think they've got a white pillow with some gold sequins on, but I just can't for the life of me think what pattern was on it. It's all on their website now anyway, so yeah, I picked up those two. The other two things I bought were a set of candles, and I bought two sets but in different fragrances. So I'll show you this one first. This is a 3-pack. It's called Berry and Silver Candles, so that's the set, and it's black patchouli fragrance. And yeah, it's a really nice fresh fragrance to these 3 candles. And this is also part of the Kmart Christmas range. They've actually brought out like a berry coloured range this year for their Christmas decor as well, which I really liked. And I'm gonna see if it will work with rose gold, like these berry tones. I'm not really sure. It probably will clash a little bit, but yeah, I'm going to have a look because I've bought something for the Christmas tree that I think might look good, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, so this 3-pack of candles was $12, and they smell really nice, like a really fresh florally smell. Well, patchouli, I guess the smell is, black patchouli. But yeah, highly recommend those for $12. The other set, like I said, that was the same. I'll show you both of them so you can see the difference. This is again $12, and this is part of their pink and amber candles. So if you're going for that color scheme, I wasn't too fussed about the actual color scheme as such, but just the fragrance of the candles I really liked. So this one is Wild Madagascar Vanilla Fragrance, and normally I'm not really a vanilla, like I don't really like the vanilla fragrance, but this is definitely not vanilla as the sweet cakey sort of vanilla. It's more of a floral vanilla, if that makes any sense. It's got more of a floral scent to it rather than the, you know, the cupcake sort of sickly scent, because yeah, I don't like the normal vanilla. So I got those again just mainly for the scent, just to scent the house around the holiday times, but I really like the jars as well, so they'll probably look nice in my bedroom either way. So I got those. The other one I bought, again, another candle. I call this my Christian Grey candle because it smells sexy, like Christian Grey I could imagine would smell. Yeah, this is so nice. This is actually a black geo candle. Can't see what the this is black patchouli fragrance as well, it reckons, but I tell you what, this smells like a sexy man. It's like an aftershave sort of, like not an aftershave, but like a cologne, a men's cologne type smell. Oh God, it's nice. Yeah, so if you like the smell of sexy man in your house, highly recommend this one because I certainly do. But yeah, I can't remember how much this was. I think about $12. But if it burns well and the fragrance is nice once it's burning, I'm definitely going to get a few more of these because, oh God, I love a sexy man smell. So yeah, highly recommend that one as well. The other thing I got, I know it's pretty boring looking, but I was so excited when I saw this, is the jute table runner. Our Kmart has never had it, and this was the last one on the shelf. And it's just basically a plain jute table runner. It's 35 centimeters by 150, and I've been looking for this for ages, just as a, you know, an everyday table runner on our dining table, and I finally found it. So I was super happy about that and grabbed it straight away. The other thing I bought that was Christmassy, I actually bought 2 of these, was the Kmart 183 centimeter long garland. It's just your basic plasticky garland, nothing too fancy, and to be honest, it looks quite sparse. I mean, but for $9, really, you can't like ask for too much. But I actually bought 2 of these, so if they do look a little bit empty, I'll probably just use 2 of them together to go across either underneath our TV in our main living area. We've got like a little TV cutout in the wall, and I sort of use the bottom of that as like my little mantle to display stuff, because I always wanted a fireplace mantle, but this house design, the way we have it, doesn't really suit to have a fireplace anywhere. So, and I mean, really in Australia you don't really need them, to be honest. It's never that cold to have one. But yeah, so I bought 2 of those for $9, and they're just under 2 meters long. So happy to get those because I've never seen those at Kmart before. So yeah. The other cute thing I found at Kmart was this bunch of lavender. Now, I mean, I like sort of the country farmhouse look, so I mean, this will go in my house all year round. And this was $5 for the bunch, and that's a new item at Kmart currently as well. And I think it's quite a decent sized bunch as well, so I was pretty happy with that. The other thing I found, now this was like a random find because I basically just found this one by itself near the shoes, like it wasn't even where it should be, and I didn't actually see any more of them. But it's the pine sort of single stem sprig, and it's got a couple of pine cones in it as well. And this was $3 for this one. And if they had any more, I probably would have bought more. But like I said, it was just a random one sitting on the shelf. So I haven't actually seen them bring these out as yet. And the other thing that I was so excited about, because I was actually I thought I was going to use one of these, or like a sprig off one of these in my witch's hat, because it just looks so perfect, but I didn't end up using it. But have a look at those. Like, what do we call these? They're pampas grass in berry color. So they're pampas grass berry is what it's called here. And yeah, they're just like, I guess you could use them just to decorate in a vase. I actually bought them with the intention of maybe using them as tree picks. So I thought I'm not sure yet, but I may separate them from the branches and just use them as little, like, you know, fill-ins in my bedroom tree, because like I said, it's rose gold, and I want to see if I can bring in the berry to like this sort of berry color to see if it would actually suit. Have I got any rose gold? See, I mean, that's rose gold, and I don't know, I think it sort of looks quite all right together, like the rose gold with the berry. So I'm going to see if it works. These were $7 for a branch. Yeah, I might pull one of them apart and just use it as like little tree picks in amongst my tree. And the other one I might just keep and just put in a vase in my bedroom somewhere near the tree, like just to sort of bring in that berry vibe. And these were a little bit more expensive. These were $7 each. So, but I mean, like, it's still super, super cheap compared to what you pay in other stores. So I was quite happy to pay that. Definitely check them out. As far as I know, there's no other colors available, what I've seen. Very happy with those, and they really, I like them a lot. And the last thing, what I was so excited to see in Kmart, believe it or not, and it's full of glitter, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to have glitter or if that's just something that's come off something, but it doesn't really matter because it looks beautiful anyway, was this A5 planner from Kmart. Can you believe it? An A5 2019 planner in like the babiest of pink with a rose gold clip. I've never seen the A5 size in Kmart. They always only have the personal size. And I just thought, I mean, I know I've just been getting rid of all my planners, but I didn't have a pink one and I really love it. So I actually have pretty much gotten rid of all of the other planners that I wasn't using. I think I've got 3 left. 3, potentially 2. There's one person's just contacted me about another one, so I've probably only got 2 left. So I'm really happy that I've actually gotten rid of all of those, because the money that I got from those helped go into buying my next video. I'll show you in my next video. Helped me to buy the one. I've actually found the one. But anyway, before I talk about that, have a look. Like, how beautiful is this planner? And I mean, it's got glitter on it. I have a feeling it came off this branch because that's full of glitter. But I mean, it looks even more prettier with more pretty. It looks prettier with the glitter on. So yeah, this is the Kmart version. I mean, I think this is just as good a quality as Kiki K, to be honest. Like the outside is like I mean, it's obviously not real leather, but it's definitely what does it say? No, it's not real leather, but it's definitely nice quality. I'm really impressed with it, actually, for $15. And inside is grey with some white polka dots. I hope you can see this. We've got a little pocket here with some little card slots, and then a little notebook here. This is actually a dated calendar. So now I actually bought this with the intention, this was going to be my YouTube planner. So I was actually going to be putting in dates of what videos need to be uploaded when, because the planner that I'm using now is just getting too chock-a-block full with all my YouTube stuff in it as well. So I thought I'd just have a whole separate planner that I can use to plan out my month of YouTube videos. So that's the dated section. Then we have here to-do list. So you've got a nice section of to-do lists there. I actually might do a whole separate review on this one. So for $15, guys, that is a really good value planner. And they also had them in black as well. So if you're into an A5 planner, I would highly recommend that, because that is just beautiful. So yeah, that is it for that Kmart haul. I'm hoping that is it for hauling for me until the end of the year, or for the rest of the year. I don't really want to spend any more money, but we all know that's never going to happen. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's for free, and the best thing about subscribing is that it will notify you each time I load up a video, so you will not miss out on any of my videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.